At Beijing's grandest Catholic church, Sunday service is standing room only. But the size and devotion of this congregation belies the long and complicated history of Catholicism in China. This church is controlled by the state. On the same Sunday in a neighboring province, an underground church is overflowing with believers. The state church is run by the government, this man says. This is the real church. They worship on makeshift mats in a makeshift shelter, risking trouble with local authorities by the masses. This church is unregistered and illegal. Of the millions of Catholics in China, many of them are coming to underground churches like this one across the country. And for the Chinese government, that's a problem. From the state's perspective, these believers are loyal to the Pope, not the Communist Party. China broke off relations with the Vatican under Chairman Mao, but over the past couple of years, ties seem to be warming up. In 2007, Pope Benedict sent a letter to underground Catholics in China, encouraging them to reunite with the official church. But a central conflict remains. The Pope maintains the right to appoint bishops, a right China claims belongs to the government. Today, persecution persists. Bishop Jia Zheguo was detained in March. The Vatican issued a quick and disappointed condemnation. A spokesperson for the official church gave little explanation. He was an underground bishop. There was no reason not to register his church. He violated government policy, and the government has a right to talk to him. But some Catholics say being registered, that is, joining the official church, means deferring to the Communist Party.
When you are registered, they take charge. They control finances, they decide who runs, all the major decisions must be checked with them.
Still, the Chinese government maintains there is freedom of religion in China. The official church claims 5 million members. The unofficial church claims even more. And most underground churches operate with little interference. But the rift is still there, enduring and for now overshadowing the Catholic faith in China. Emily Chang, CNN, Beijing.